All right, then, it's one of the biggest clashes of the tournament going on. Chargers up against CSK, Cheesy Super Kings. Two heavyweights up against each other. Toss went in favor of Chargers, decided to bat. And Mr. Ashok Kherwal, who came out to bat as an opener, has gone back to the pavilion after playing 3-dot balls on the trot up against Chinmay. So father goes back to the pavilion, son comes out to bat, Mr. Ashok Kherwal goes back to the hut. Now the dangerous batsman, Ayush. And of a successful over. By a very good bowler, Chinmay. End of over number 1, -4 for 1. Was that good idea for the batter, Ryan, to go after the bowler like of Arnav? The pace that he bowls, the line that he bowls, the length that he bowls, not at all an easy task for the batters to take him on. But Ryan decided to play the big shot, and he has been rattled. And now comes into bat Mr. Cricket. Pawan Mundra at number 4 for Chargers. And straight away, oh, what a fielding. Sahil, excellent piece of work done by him at the boundary region. All eyes on this contest. Arnav versus Ayush. Oh, he has cleaned him up through the gates. Arnav always brings the ball into the right-hander. Ayush knew that, still went after it. Boy, oh boy, Chargers. Thank you, DJ. With that big wicket of Ayush, Chargers, they are in deep, deep trouble. It's -11 for 3. We are into the second over. Oh, they are appealing for something. The bails are firmly placed. No damage done to the batter. End of an over bowled by Arnav. Well, he was breathing fire in that over. 2 overs done. -11 for 3. Chargers, the team owner, Mr. Ashok Kherwal and Mr. Sunil Singhania. Shankarji is the new bowler. Off spinner up against a very solid batsman, Pawan Mundra. Easy picking this for him. The team owner of Cheesy Super Kings, Mr. Chinmay Singhvi and Mr. Arnav Singh. Good batting by Kunal. It was the third dot ball on the top for him, but he denies it, playing that single. What a shot! How effortlessly done there by Mr. Pawan Mundra. Wait, umpires. Was it maximum or was it 8 runs? 6, okay. Che. Oh, that shot, it wasn't far from that 8 runs region, 8 runs mark. छह रन था वो. तीसरा ओवर गतिमान है, रन बने हैं. कैच इट का कॉल जरूर था वहां पर, लेकिन कुछ गज, कुछ मिलीमीटर दूर रह गया था वो बॉल. और जिस प्रकार पवन जी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं, कहते हैं थकी हुई आंखों को सुकून मिल जाता है जब बल्लेबाज इस प्रकार की बल्लेबाजी करता है. पवन मुंद्रा बहुत ही दर्शनीय और आकर्षक बल्लेबाजी. 3 ओवर का खेल पूरा, स्कोर बने हैं 0-0, विकेट गिरे हैं 3. और देखिए, मानो पवन जी अपने अन्य बल्लेबाजों को बता रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार की बल्लेबाजी की जाती है अगर अर्नव जैसा गेंदबाजी के लिए आते हैं तो. बढ़िया गेंद और उसे रक्षात्मक तरीके से खेला. धीमे हाथे उसे स्टीयर करना चाहते थे, कोई रन नहीं. फुल टॉस की गेंद बहुत ही बढ़िया कला. जी हाँ, 2 रन डिक्लेयर जोन में गई है. कलाइयों का बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल किया वहां पर बल्लेबाज कुणाल ने. देखो, कहते खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग बदल लेता है, और जिस प्रकार पवन जी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं उसका असर अब कुणाल की बल्लेबाजी पर देखा जा सकता है. लेग स्टंप को काफी छोड़ती हुई बढ़िया गेंद, और उतने ही बढ़िया ढंग से उस गेंद को खेला. क्या कवर ड्राइव किया है, लेकिन सीधे शॉर्ट कवर के खिलाड़ी के हाथ में. कैच आउट की अपील हो रही है, लेकिन बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यवश तरीके से विकेट का पतन हुआ है एक बेहतरीन और उच्च कोटि के बल्लेबाज पवन मुंद्रा का. कहते हैं ना, किस्मत जब वार करती है तो हर तरफ से शिकार करती है. वही हुआ यहां पर बल्लेबाज पवन जी के साथ. हाँ, एक मिनट. स्कोर बने हैं 1 रन. 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर एक और इसे अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं एक्रोबैटिक एफर्ट देखने मिला यहां पर चिन्मय सिंघवी द्वारा. बाएं हाथ के खिलाड़ी हैं, दाएं तरफ गई गेंद और इस प्रकार के कैचेस पकड़े नहीं, चिपके जाते हैं. 4 ओवर का खेल पूरा. 2 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. वो पवन जी का विकेट चार्जर्स के सारे दर्शकों का मानो दिल टूट गया हो. Oh, that big shot, it came out of nowhere. Yes, that ball was a half ranker, half tracker. It demanded to be put away, but the batsman, he obliged, but how? Such a destructive team this is, Chargers. Yes, a destructive team, but playing with no great luck in this inning so far. Score is 0 for 5 after 4.4. Well, the beauty of the team of Chargers is that this team, they bat deep. Five overs done. Chargers winning the toss, deciding to bat first. They are 1 for loss of 5 wickets after 5. What makes Chargers destructive and a brilliant team is that they have long list of batters in their batting unit. When you see the batsmen likes of Vikas Gupta coming out to bat at number 7, you can just imagine the kind of batters they have got. Oh, that was a chance. Straight in, straight out. The ball popped out of the palm, and this time Sahil. It was an easy take by the standard of Sahil as a fielder at long off. Vikas Gupta looked to play an inside-out lofted drive. 6 wickets down for Chargers, and now comes in to bat Mr. Sunil Singhania, the team owner for Chargers. alongside Mr. Ashok Kedwal. Knocks him over. Oh yes, you can question yourself. Is this a wicket or is this a brilliant bowling? You gotta applaud the bowling performance. These guys, they have been exceptional. You can plan before coming into the game, but the execution from the bowlers have been spot on. And when you are playing a game against a top team like Chargers, your execution has to be perfect. Six overs gone. Score is -6 for loss of 7 wickets. And I reckon that is it. Chargers, they have been bundled out. It's a wrap of the inning for them. End of an inning for Chargers. The score is -9. Brilliant piece of bowling from TZ Super Kings. The Chargers bowler, they have a big task in their hand. We'll be back with the chase in shortly. -9, -9. -8. All right, welcome back, folks. We can expect another low-scoring thriller. -9 is what Chargers posted while batting first. Saurabh Nayak is on the strike. Rachin at the non-strikers end. Ayush Khedwal, the bowler. And Mr. Cricket, he is busy making sure that he has got right fielder at right position. Oh yes, we are set, so are the fielders. Let's play is the call. Oh, it's no ball straight away for the foot fault. Free hit delivery to Saurabh. Into the gap. It's a boundary and they are underway. Oh boy, oh boy. As I say, the batsman looks more dangerous if he starts enjoying himself out in the middle. That's what you can see. That beaming smile of the batter says everything. Wow. Jersey number 17. Catch is the call. Catch has been taken. Rachin wanted to do what Saurabh did earlier in this inning. But this time, Pawanji, right standing behind the bowler, takes an easy catch. Thank you, DJ. Oh, yes, we were talking about jersey number 17. If you are a cricket lover, cricket fan, only one person, one cricketer comes into the mind. ABD. Number 17 forever. Mr. Nayak and Vinayak are the batters out in the middle. End of over number 1. Score is 10 for 1. Mr. Sunil Singhania bowling the second over. Still that fielding restriction over is in progress. The mandatory power play. If there was an LBW, it was Date Plum. Oh, brilliant bowling this from Sunil Singhania. He's bang on the money. 2 dot balls on the trot. Vinayak the batter in question. Straight to the fielder, another opportunity. Direct hit, and it would have been curtain for Vinayak. Oh, every spectators of Cheesy Super Kings had their heart in mouth. What a brilliant over this is turning out to be by a vastly experienced cricketer, Sunil Singhania. And of a tidy over, considering only a couple of runs. 12 for 1 after 2. Kunal to bowl the third over. Well, he did spend some time out in the middle as a batter. He must be knowing how this wicket behaves. First delivery straight to Sunil Singhania ji. And the big mix-up. Vinayak. It never looks settled. A shaky inning has come to an end. It's a wicket for Chargers. Thank you, DJ. Wicket in form of run out. And now the batsman walks into bat. It's Chinmay Singhvi, who also happens to be the team owner. A true all-rounder. Wonderful fielding this. This is what they need. Chargers, they know a sheer of brilliance in the field, and with some exceptional bowling effort, they can get it. Good delivery. Saurabh Nayak goes on the knees, brings out the sweep shot on the onside into the vacant region as well. Takes a single, easy single there. Wonderfully bowled by Kunal. That could have been a blunder from the batter Saurabh Nayak had that low full toss delivery. Invited the batter to come and take the bowler on. Plays along the carpet, straight to the fielder at long off region. 11 is the score after 3. 11 for 2 after 3. 3 overs gone, 11 for 2, and Cheesy Super Kings. They have taken a power over. This is the over. An over full of surprises. A direct hit. Direct hit is always an interesting call. Oh, we have never seen Pawan Ji so excited. He was jumping in joy. It reminds me of MSD from Champions Trophy in 2013. This is gonna be very, very tight call. Direct hit. Always makes things interesting. It's gonna be a very tough call for the third umpire to make. Oh, he was in. Goodness me. What a moment that would have been. Risty. Well, he has got every shot in the book. Chinmay Singhvi. Oh, it's a no ball. The rarest of rare no ball bowled by Pawanji. Hello, hello. Catch it was the shout. A very cautious approach, but very sensible one. Chinmay, he brings the calmness. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The wicket they wanted. Finally, Pawan Mundra strikes. It's a big, big fish. Chinmay Singhvi. He must be livid with himself, kicking himself, throwing his wicket away in the power over. Now the scorecard will dip by 10. Just a moment. Some calculation need to be done. Wait a moment, guys. 13 is the score. अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है ओवर कितना हुआ विकेट 4 overs gone. 13 is the score for loss of 3 wicket. Oh, what a shot. First up, Sahil was facing the first delivery for himself in this inning, and straight away, right from the meat of the bat, through the cover into the 3 runs declare zone. Wonderful fielding.
Cross over the first inning score.
Run out opportunity. Well, they needed a direct hit there. 4.4 score is 22. 22 for 3. Left and right hand combination, making things easier for batting team. What a good looking shot straight to the fielder. It will definitely go down as a drop chance. 5 overs, 23 is the score for loss of 3 wickets. And Saurabh Nayak, he has faced 15 deliveries so far in this inning. Chargers, they know they can still bounce back in this game with some quick wickets. Vikas Ji has come out to bowl the 6th over. Firmly struck, but straight to the bowler. Oh, this one was a leg spinning delivery, but it didn't turn a lot. Went straight, and Sahil. Two dot balls on the trot, and Saurabh has faced 17 deliveries now. Oh, that ball must have slipped out of his palm. अभी रहने दो, अभी क्या बोलोगे यार? चार चार लोग बैठे हुए यार. अरे तू चिल्ला देना भाई, मैं मैच रोक रहा हूँ ना इधर. भाई रहने दो तुम लोग ना, मैं ही करता हूँ सब, ठीक है? अभी स्कोर तो बताओ कोई. हाँ, तेरे पास आवाज है कि नहीं? विकेट 27 for 3 after 6 overs. Top edge, and the ball, I reckon it has gone into 2 runs declare zone. Yes, it is. Saurav at the non-striker's end has faced 17 deliveries so far. With that single, the score moves to 30. 30 for 3, 7th over in progress. No pressure on the batters as the target has been achieved way long back. Well, they are still not done yet. The hunger for the runs can be seen. And eventually, Pawanji has been rewarded with another wicket. First, he got rid of Chinmay in power over. Now, the left-hander Sahil has been dismissed. 7 overs gone. 28 for 4. The lack of bounce of the previous delivery, the last delivery of the previous over, has done the trick for the bowler there. Inside edge. Last over of the match. Chargers, they can still look for some quick wickets in this over. Various cheesy Super Kings, they have got this match already in their pocket. Saurabh now has faced 19 deliveries. Last ball, last over. कितना ball? Score नहीं, ball बोलो. Last 3 deliveries remaining. And now that is it. Saurabh now has to go back to the pavilion. He remains not out. Came out to bat as an opener. What a performance from him. With his batters, the way they were batting, Arnav Singh, he was itching to come out to bat. High full toss delivery. Straight to the Pawanji. At long on. Oh, it's a no ball. No DRS for the no ball above the waist height. Oh, Arnav Singh. He connects it so nicely. It has gone the distance, the elevation, the distance, everything was there. The ball went. Oh yes, it's 8 runs, not a maximum. Wow. Arnav Singh, he has done unthinkable there. Cheesy Super Kings have won this match. An easy victory for them.